The append track command lets you join multiple lines together by somewhat tracing those lines. So on the CAD tab, you're going to find the append track command. So an example might be that we want to connect this line here to this line here for only a portion of that line and then bring it back over to here. So a couple things that you can do. First, you pick your baseline. The baseline is the line that you're going to start with. Then you pick the line you want to append. So I want a portion of this line, but I want this to extend it out. So I could use the extend command to extend it out here, but Business Center is smart enough to know that when I pick this line, it's going to ask me for my start clip. You can right click and choose an option here. In this case, I'm going to say at crossing line. So I'm going to pick this line as the crossing line, and what it does, it projects that line out to where it crosses this line and shows me the distance along that line to start the clip. Now the end clip might be, anywhere else along, through here. So I could pick anywhere along this line. So if I want this to be the end part of that clip, I'll click here, and you can see it grabs that distance. It doesn't matter that one is before the other. When I click append, what it does is it extends that line out, and now you'll see that it appends the part of this line to it. Now it doesn't do anything to the other line. You'll see that in a minute. So then I can come in, let's say I want to append this one. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to pick this line to append to, and then I'm just going to pick that corner as a start point, and then I want it to come over here to the end point where this crosses. So what I could do is just right click and do crossing again and pick that point, and you'll see that it now draws that line and connects it over to here and traces and follows that line. So when you close, you'll see that you have a line segment that is actually separate from the other. So if I was to come in here and let's say we move it from one spot to another, you'll see that it doesn't do anything to the other lines, only the original line that we appended it to. You'll see that that one's been modified. So that's the one that's been appended or again modified to.